Ayomi's family, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to maximize one watermelon. And if you're trying to purchase a very sweet, delicious watermelon, you see the sunny side up, the broader it is, the better. So now we're going to go ahead and kill this watermelon. You would need a very big knife that is very clean and sharp. All you need to do is just throw the knife in between the watermelon just like this, and you make sure that you are holding the 2 edges that are split open already and not just one side, else it would just split into 2 and the other part would run away. So you want to hold the 2 edges together, take out the knife, and then voila, that's it, your watermelon is open. And then we're going to go ahead and just dice this into bits and pieces, and we're also going to take out the rind from the watermelon itself. Consuming watermelon is very healthy for everyone, especially when it is the season in your environment. Like when watermelon is out there, please maximize the use of it. Eat it as much as you can, because watermelon would help you hydrate, as it contains 92% of water. So if your weather period now is dry, like you are in summer at the moment, this is one fruit you want to make sure you are laying your hand on always. So after taking out the skin, we're going to go ahead and dice the skin into bits and pieces, because this is very important as much as the watermelon. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do with that. But first, the first thing we are going to be achieving with this watermelon is to juice it. Oh my god, I love juicing my watermelon, because I would eventually achieve a lot from the watermelon, because watermelon contains a lot of juice, unlike some other fruits. Like when you juice some other fruits, you'll be like, where have the old fruits all gone to? But watermelon will give you a lot of juice because it contains enough water. So consuming this watermelon would help you improve your heart health. It would also lower inflammation and also help you reduce stress a lot. So it is important you consume your fruits, especially watermelon. Can you just see the goodness that just came out from this juicer? And I just cannot wait to have a taste of this lovely juice. Watermelon juice is healthy for everyone, both young and old. So make sure you have a glass of watermelon almost every day if it's the season in your environment. So here you go, guys. This is the first thing you can achieve from one watermelon, apart from your regular way of just dicing and eating it straight like that. You can achieve a glass of watermelon juice. Now let's go in straight into the second thing our watermelon would give us. We are going to go ahead now and juice the watermelon rind. This might sound surprising to people, and this might sound, how come? Is it edible? Oh yes, it is 100% edible. We are going to go ahead and juice the back of this watermelon, or you can call it the skin or the rind, because this is high in vitamin B and in vitamin C. Plus, eating something you typically would have discarded would cut down on waste. And for men, before I go ahead with this, because this is very important, if you are a single person here or you are a child, at this point, please block your ears, or you promise me you are going to use this information you're going to hear now for a married man or a married woman. Okay, so if you're a man here and down there in between your legs, I mean your third leg, you're having problem with that while performing, this is the best thing you can ever take. Try this and come back to me. Drink this watermelon rind juice. You can drink it warm, you can drink it cold. The difference would be clear. You would notice the difference this is what you need. It is natural. You don't have to go too far to look for what you would use to solve your problem. It is affordable, it is accessible, and it is natural. You don't need medicine, you don't need anything. Drink this and come back and testify. Let's go straight into the third thing we are going to achieve with this same watermelon. Remember our watermelon fiber that we juiced? This is it. We are going to use it. Nothing goes to waste. We are also going to be using some frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. These are packed full with antioxidants that would heal your body. This is a lovely fruit that you don't want to miss any day, anytime, because it would help your immune system and to also help you with asthma and also help you with your heart, your lungs. This would also improve the quality of your sleep. Like strawberries, blueberries are so rich for the body. So yes, we are going to be using this. And the third thing, we are also going to be using our frozen cherries. I love this fruit a lot. I also decided to combine all these fruits in the same color to give my mix a lovely color and to reduce stress. I mean, if I can find fruits that are in the same colors, I just packed them together. But if you cannot find, you can mix them up. But for this one, we are using this frozen cherries as well. We're also going to be adding some little amount of honey. Honey is good for your body if well consumed, but we're going to be using small because most of these fruits have sour taste. So honey would help us sweeten it a bit. We're also going to be using half of this lovely big red apple. Consuming apples would help boost your exercise recovery. It would also help you with arthritis if you are suffering from one. It would also protect cholesterol level in your blood from becoming damaged. It would also lower your blood pressure, prevent you from aging, and it would also control your blood sugar. So apple, yes, it is very good for the body. Now we're going to be using also some Greek style yogurts. I love Greek style fat-free yogurt a lot because it is natural and you would also need this as a binding agent. We're also going to be using some superfoods like flax seeds, sunflower, pumpkin and sesame seeds, and goji berries. These are a rich source of fiber and of protein, and they are also high in omega-3. So you need superfoods like this in your meal to help support your immune system. This is like a supplement. Of course, we're also going to be using water. If everybody and everything on this planet Earth is your enemy, water shouldn't be your enemy because you need water in everything you would be doing. So we're going to be using some little amount of water for this mix. So straight up, I'm going to combine all of this into my blending cup. Now for my superfood, I'm using 1 teaspoon of the mix, and I'm also using 60 ml of the Greek style fat-free yogurt. So please, you have to maintain portion control while combining these things because they also contain lots of calories. For the honey, we're also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of the honey. Nothing more, nothing extra. Just 1 teaspoon of that. That's all you need. Now, when adding water, it is totally up to you. If you want your mix to be running or you want it thick, then you add little or more water. It's so important to add water as water would help your blending process more faster and easier. So we're going to cover this up now and go ahead and give this a very good blend. smoothie would help you to lose weight as well, as it is packed full with fiber. The fiber from the watermelon that we juiced and the fiber from the other fruits would definitely keep you full for a long time that you would not even think of food. And taking this on an empty stomach every morning would make you look younger than your age, and your skin would just be glowing. You would enjoy your life. So please try and always consume your fruits on an empty stomach every morning. I hope you have enjoyed your time with me today. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a like, a thumbs up, and leave me your comment. I'll see you in my next one.